Apparently it's supposed to be day Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This Tuesday. Today is supposed to be day 4. So on the 4th day we are roaming out. The other 3 days went in setting up the house. So but now we are going to one place in Arambol. So when we reach there I'll show you all the destination. For now enjoy the ride. Not even mud, so like the soil is different over there. You can see it's like red. Some roads get so small because of the trees, but it looks so nice. My bad. I started I started recording, I forgot, dude. Some little type main road. Weather is also good. What? It is a left coming ticket. That left. So you can see on the O here there's a color temperature sensor. They said it works in water well. So let's dip it in water today and test it. Chal. We were looking for Sweet Lake, but then we landed up on the beach. हाँ, so this is the Sweet Lake.
See, Sharon.
You are being recorded.
Yo, lock it. Hold me now from here. More, I think so. There is more inside, dude. Gavin, there is more to explore, ba.
The road, sorry. The pathway, like that we go. And it's walking distance. The water height is only till here. But
I'm waiting for them. Huh?
there's a pathway in a jungle there. There's one more this side. But if you want to be adventurous, you can climb from this side also. And you can climb the stream on top. But there are rocks over there. If you want, you can go ahead from the stream like that. And you can cut short and sit there outside. This is a frog. White color frog. This frog wears boxers. Down at the stream and we came up this route and now we are going inside the forest. Yeah, so that's it the vlog, guys. So you can take the market road and just follow the market road and come straight inside and you'll reach this area. The shortcut that we just took came out from here. From there. We came out from there. And that goes on the hill and it goes straight to one waterfall. You have to walk a bit and you reach the waterfall, or you can walk from this lake. It's a very shallow lake. You can walk and go straight. One of the ways. There's going to be another ride tomorrow, so I'll see you also. We're going to another place in south. I forgot my rain cover. I forgot that. Shit, on one of those bikes. Shit. Hey, I forgot my rain cover on the bike behind. Okay, so one last goodbye to this beach and the beautiful Sweet Lake. So that's it with my vlog, guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye. and a beautiful sunset. So this is the exit. I'll just show you the exit and then I'll end the video there. But wait for tomorrow's ride. We are going someplace special. Wait, let me put maps. I'll put maps. Wait.
What?
Maps, man.